Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes. And today we're going to talk about the shedding of cells that naturally happens in the body. It's how the body regenerates. And different tissues, the stomach, the liver, the blood, they all regenerate at different rates. And that is probably because they have different levels of use, right? So the regenerative process of tissues is an important way that the cells stay healthy. In other words, an old cell is not going to do what it's programmed to do. If it's a filter cell, like in the kidney, it's not going to do it if it's an old cell. If it's an immune cell, it's not going to fight like it needs to fight if it's an old cell. So tissue regeneration is super important. And the rate at which different tissues regenerate is obviously different. For example, the stomach lining regenerates every 2 to 3 days. Isn't that amazing? I think that's amazing. Every 2 to 3 days, your stomach lining regenerates. Wow, that's a lot. And then your skin cells, it takes about 27 days, so about a month. Your red blood cells, it takes 120 days. So that's about 4 months. Okay, so that's a little bit longer. And then your liver cells, that takes anywhere between 300 and 500. So that's a year. It's a year before your liver cells fully regenerate. And your bone cells, bone marrow cells, it takes 10 years. So, you can see the variability in regeneration of different tissues. And it's a reflection, I believe, of how metabolically active those tissues are. Like the kidney and the liver, they're super metabolically active. So there's going to be, a faster regeneration rate of those tissues and cells. So I don't know. I thought this was really interesting information, and it's going to make me think about things a little bit differently. And I wanted to share those insights with you. So that's what I wanted to talk about today was cellular regeneration. I do think that peptides help with that. And I do think that spagyric homeopathics help with tissue regeneration, detoxifying, excuse me, things like that help with tissue regeneration. Coconut water, really good with electrolytes, really good for the body, good for the summer drink. So I hope you all found this information helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a happy Easter. Take care.